Hello everybody, welcome. Pizza. Who likes pizza? So today we're going to do a store-bought pizza against a homemade pizza. Right then, so what we got? Let's open this first. Looks nice. It's expensive though, it was £3.69 that was. Let's open it up and we'll have a look. Okay, there it is there. Looks nice. Cut it open. Lovely. Smells nice to be fair. Let's stick it on a tray before it's a bit soft. Now I can show you better then. There it is. Let's have a look. Looking nice. That's that one. Now on to the homemade pizza base. What we'll do, we'll build this one up and we'll get them in the oven. Right, to start with, we'll get the tomato base on. Don't need a lot of this. Just needs to be spread. There's that. I'm going to get some grated cheese on the bottom. Some mozzarella. Get it all spread up. Oh yes. Lovely. Chorizo slices. Get them on next. Chorizo slices, lovely. Get them on. Quite a lot here, to be fair. Just going to pile it all on. Not all of it, I'm going to all this on there. I'm going to fill the pizza up. Now the pepperoni and mozzarella slices, we'll get them on. Stick them in between. Mozzarella slices now, get them in. Just pile them on top, get it all nice and gooey. There we go, that's that one. Looking nice. I must admit that one looks better, but still look nice. It's all in the taste. Right, so what I'll do, I'll get them in the oven, I'll cook them 20 minutes, I'll bring them out and we'll have a look. Job's a good one. Right, they're done. There's the shop bought one. And there's the pre-made pastry one. Get me cutter upper. Nice. What do you think? That's the shop bought one. Looks quite tasty, smells nice. And there's the homemade one. With the cheap ingredients. That's nice as well. Well, let's give it a cut open. Do the shop bought one first. Smells quite nice. See if it's got a crunch. Yes. Nice little crunch there. There it is. Looks nice. Let's give it a taste. There's a crunch. That's nice. Mmm. Nice and soft at the bottom. Nice crunch. Nice little taste to it. That's not bad at all. Now let's do the cheap ingredient one. Just cut it open. It's got a crunch. Oh yeah, a little one, not as much though. I mean, I suppose it's how long you stick it in for, isn't it? Could just stick it in for a couple more minutes, I suppose, but I wanted to have them in at exactly the same amount of time. This one's a lot gooier, look at that. Look at that. Ho 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 ho. You like gooey cheese? Look at that, let's taste this one. Oh wow. Oh God, yes. Mmm. Oh, that's stunning. Maybe another couple of minutes just to crunch the edges up. Oh wow. Definitely a homemade one. Definitely a homemade one. Definitely. It's got more taste to it. It's a lot gooier. I mean, look. Homemade, shop bought. I had another extra 2 or 3 minutes just to crunch the sides up and it'd been fine. This homemade one's lovely. Mmm. Shop bought. I mean, the shop bought's nice, but for the cheese, definitely the homemade one, 100%. Anyway, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till tomorrow. See you later. Bye bye. Homemade. Same, works out about the same price. Lovely. See ya. Bye bye.